and she always wanted a buckskin horse, where the yearning burnt deep within her soul. In dreams she'd ride the hills at night, with the river running somewhere far below. She'd feel the power beneath her as up the trail they'd fly, and his coat would shine and gleam like the secrets behind her eyes. And she always wanted a buckskin horse, and his breath would smoke when snow was on the ground. He'd test the air with nostrils flared, and together they'd ride the morning down. When she climbed upon his back, she'd finally know just what her life was for. And she'd ride across the skyline to meet it on that buckskin horse. And her dreams, oh, it seems they're a long time coming, and it seems she can almost touch it, perhaps she never will. In her dreams, oh, it seems she is on that pony running down the river's course, on that buckskin horse. And she always wanted a buckskin horse, and though life can push a dream aside, within the ranges of the heart, there are miles and miles to ride. If you ask, she'll say it's nothing, just a fantasy, of course. But like a secret hidden just behind her eyes, there's a buckskin horse. And her dreams, oh, it seems they're a long time coming, and it seems she can almost touch it, perhaps one day she will. In her dreams, oh, it seems she's on that pony running down the river's course, on that buckskin horse, running down the river's course, on that buckskin horse. I saw a cloud yesterday, hung around a minute, and it just blew away. It's another identical dusty day. Only thing not telling a lie is the wind. I don't believe it's ever gonna rain again. Signs fail in a dry spell. Don't look to the sky, he's got nothing to tell. But there are cracks in the ground that run straight straight to hell. Maybe we're paying for our sins. I don't believe it's ever gonna rain again. Born to dry rocks where the water used to flow. Remember how fast it ran and how high it rose. Now that creek bed is empty as a dead man's clothes, waiting for the wake to begin.